Hello and welcome to the second episode of Space Shenanigans devlog. Space Shenanigans is a space exploration modpack that revolves around, well, space exploration and making colonies on other planets. The main topic I want to talk today about is this rocket ship that I'm currently fueling right now. I want to talk about this wonderful mod that I found more than a month ago and have been tinkering with it ever since. This mod is called Cosmic Horizons, and it incorporates the best space travel system I've ever seen. The space traveling system is you're flying on a spaceship into, well, space, and then you're moving in a physical space from planet to planet. As you can see, it is extremely boring because it is slow. This is understandable because Cosmic Horizons, which is the mod, is in development and is still in alpha state. Even though this mod is in alpha state, I have decided to incorporate it in the modpack anyway. Why? Guess why! Look at this! This is freaking amazing! Furthermore, Cosmic Horizons has a wonderful datapack support, which allows for a great customization. This Dyson cube is not part of the mod. It was made by me and placed here right over the sun using a datapack. I have created a texture and have put it using a, well, datapack system. Now, as you saw at the start of the video, I have used coal to fuel my rocket. Fueling system is not yet incorporated into Cosmic Horizons. I have used Cube.js to incorporate fueling system. How it works is that I just press Shift plus right mouse button and I fuel the rocket. Coal fuel is a placeholder and I think I'm going to replace it with, well, fuel later on. Also, using datapacks, I have replaced planets from this mod that are frankly unfinished with a Rastro planet that not only finished but also have been completely changed by me with dungeons and custom biomes from other mods. Also, one of the very cool features that I don't think I'm going to incorporate in my modpack, but someone can, is the fact that you can actually place blocks here. As you can see, you can place blocks, you can place blocks yourselves. Some sort of air placing block would be enough. Oh, I'm phasing out of existence. Some sort of air placing block would be enough to create some sort of a space station, but the reason I'm not incorporating it in my modpack is that I don't think I will be able to properly assign something like solar panels and stuff like that to blocks, to the coordinates and how close they are to the sun, to... oh no, I'm completely phased out of existence. Anyway, let me fuel my rocket again because I can't fly on it without fuel. And I wanna speculate about how I was going to add warping system with immersive portals and speed system using Pehkui. You know, this scaling mod that allows to change scale of object. First off, let's start with a speed system. Even though Cosmic Horizons has stuff like this where you can put two thrusters into hands and then, yep, and it changes the model and the particles of the rocket. It doesn't really change the speed. It's still very slow. Yeah. But if we use /scale, set motion to 20 of this entity that I'm looking at, suddenly it becomes way faster. At about 50 it starts lagging too much, so I guess this is the fastest speed it can go. The warping system that I wanted to make is create two portals. I don't have immersive portals right now installed because of Axiom mod that I used to create dungeons for the modpack. But basically, what I wanted to do is create two portals. One goes here, one goes from there, like one is at Earth, the second one at Mars, and you like go through the portal and yeah, you're at Mars right now. But the problem is, the rocket seat from this mod is, well, it just refuses to go through portals. It just bumps them as if they were a giant wall. So yeah, I guess I'll figure something out. Second thing I want to talk about is multi-blocked 2, which is a very cool custom multi-block mod. Before I used the mod called Masterful Machinery, but it not only had multiple bugs, like this one, when I can't open the computer because I placed it, then I broke it, then I used some other computer. I place centrifuge controller, I break it, and I place another one in. Ooh, it broke. It can't be used here anymore. Yeah, terrible. Very terrible. So I started looking at another multi-block mod, and I found this. This mod allows you to create your own multi-blocks just like that. Just like that. You're choosing the area, you can create stuff here, you can create your own UI like that. Like what? This is amazing. Do you understand how much time it would take to create something like this in freaking Cube.js? It's like 100,000 lines of code. And obviously I'm scraping this, not only because this mod didn't have an ability to, like when the structure is formed, to use a model, it also didn't have an ability to use animations. And this mod has this ability. It has Geckolib support, it has this Unity particle system mod support, and it's just great. They made this animated machine that uses Geckolib to animate itself. This is amazing. I am having high hopes for this, because I just found in a span of a month, I found 2 wonderful mods. If you wanna know about this modpack that I'm making, about what is it all about and what can you expect from it, you can follow a link in the description to the post where I have explained everything. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you. Oh my god. Oh no, I broke it. And I'll see you in the next devlog episode.